Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a little Pocket Lenormand deck that we have introduced into the store. It's like a, for those of you that remember matchsticks, that sort of box, and there are pages or the little cards at the end, so have the meanings on them for you. So you've got the keywords on there. I think it's a really clever concept because when you're learning Lenormand, you could literally keep the card here and then flip it when you want to see what the answer is. Certainly how we would do it to start with. So you've basically got the title card and a couple of cards in there that have got the keywords on them. And these are the backs of them. So what do they say? A perfectly sized divination deck for both veteran readers and those who are new to Lenormand, presenting the imagery and keywords at their most basic and accessible level. This diverse deck includes alternate cards for inclusive representation. So let's pop that to one side. It's a Red Wheel published deck. Okay, so here we are. The backs are all the same, obviously. Let's do this. We've got the title card, which I showed you just now. And then you've got the two keywords cards. So here they are. So you've basically got the number, the title, and the picture. Really good starter cards. So you got 11. Oh, you got 13 child, so you can choose which one you want to use. 14 is the fox. And you can choose a dog. You can either have a dog or a cat, whichever you feel is your, because this is a card of loyalty. So whichever card, sorry, I moved the camera then. Whichever one you feel is your loyal companion. You can hear it's quite a card, it's a proper card. You can have either man and then obviously either woman, lily, and finally the cross. Okay, so that is a very brief look at the, actually at the Pocket Lenormand by Red Wheel Publishing. Very clever little concept, especially for a travel deck. So you can just kind of, especially when you're learning as well. And you could probably write on these whilst you're learning. I'd use it as a training deck. And then it has all of the keywords. The above are common keywords, but keep in mind the card may represent the actual thing, a book, a child, a tree, etc. Select the imagery that resonates with you to create your 36 card deck. That's to treat the card meanings as words and read them in order as you would a sentence. And then they've got a deck here. Oh, sorry, a hint here. Check out The Language of Lenormand by Erica Robertson and other titles at them. So this is obviously the publisher's card. Okay, I hope that you found that helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.